Grind Hard crew. Today is going to be the third episode of building the BMW UTE. So we are going to make a proper tailgate out of the trunk, and what I'm most excited about is we're going to stack it. Because right now it sounds like this. Which is not so great. It's a little bit farty.
Before, because a big chunk of this, well, all of it was cut out, and then some of it was cut out of the junkyard. On the one we got, there was this piece in the middle here missing. And so before, we just did it real quick and just made it straight, and it hit here and made it lower. Well, now, I'm taking these pieces and getting it over to where it's supposed to be in the center of the driveline tunnel area. And then I'll take some straight and get it back to about here, and then go up through the holes.
First problem in stacking so far is the gas tank pretty much goes from this side of the bed to that side of the bed. And if we went around it, we would lose 2 inches of clearance, and the lowest hanging point would be the exhaust.
Yeah.
So instead,
the easiest place to bring up the piping would be right about here on either side of the driveline. There's all sorts of space under there, and then we can run it straight back in the driveline tunnel and then up. That way it doesn't reduce our ground clearance. We got these cherry bombs with the intention of putting them underneath the car and then maybe adding in another one if it was too quiet, but I think it looks pretty sweet right there.
yeah.
So I think we'll just stick these ones up here, and then if we still need more muffling, we'll do it underneath the car.
Sounds good to me. I think it looks super cool there.
We'll stick this bad boy on it.
Oh yeah.
Well, we only got one cherry bomb because they didn't have any more, and we ran out of flex stuff because I used both pieces for that. The point is we don't have enough stuff to finish the exhaust, so I'm going to work on the tailgate. Well, I already kind of chopped it up a little bit, so it's closer to a tailgate, but I was thinking, originally I was thinking of having it kind of like have the original curve here and then dip down at the ends, which it does look good. I don't know, but we could also just chop it flat and cap it like we did these ones. And then we'll see. I might try to make hinges and stuff, but probably for now I'll just make it removable. Removable makes more sense than hinged anyway, because the shape of it, like with the cutouts for the taillight, it doesn't really make any sense for it to hinge down. It just makes sense to take it out so you could load stuff into the back.
tailgate is looking great.
Is it looking tail great?
It's looking tail great.
I took this piece of steel, which is from the party bus, and I cut it to roughly the right size, and then tacked it on in a couple places in the top, and then used the jigsaw with a metal blade on it to cut it flush all the way across the top, and then welded that whole seam and sanded it down roughly.
Yeah, that seemed
If we want it to
really
be
good.
super pretty, we'll just Bondo it.
Yeah.
Obviously I cut a hole out for the hinge, and then it was sticking out about like that, so I had to like smash it down super hard and tack it along here.
So in the next BMW video, we're gonna finish the tailgate and clean up the bodywork because we're either gonna paint it or wrap it. What do you guys think? We're not totally sure on colors or ideas. We're just like,
We want it to look better.
there's a lot of different colors going on right now.
And we got some bodywork here. The tires crunched the fenders a little bit there,
Yep.
which caused this little crease here. So we got a little bit of bodywork to do.
Yeah, so that'll be in the next episode. But for now, we're gonna rally it around, show you guys what it sounds like, and have some fun. The tires are pretty shredded. Those used to be on the rear, so we just popped them up front, get around the driveway a couple times. You know how we do. It sounds a little bit better. I think I'm gonna have a little bit of fun.
Probably. Well, good thing I wasn't standing right there.
Came in a little hot.
Yeah, it's not a full send second gear. It's like a medium send.
That's a double. Well, some of you guys commented saying you love the Idaho vibe,
The scenery.
and you wanted to see more of the kind of shenanigans or hikes or whatever we do. So this is stuff we do like more often than you'd think. Gosh, you. Keep doing bonus videos like this at the end of our videos, so
Watch all the way to the end like a Marvel movie.
like a Marvel movie. And you'll get to see radical North Idaho stuff that goes down here.